So I'm currently in the beautiful city of Budapest. Why I decided to come is because I always wanted to do a solo trip and I've never been to Budapest. It was also one of my bucket lists, so that's why I decided to, why not come over here and have some fun. So, montage! So far, I just came up to the Buddha Castle and also seen the that bridge, the famous bridge. Okay, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys. I came here without reading much about Budapest. Reason why? It's because I wanted to have an adventure and then see what I can discover myself or other people. So I'm going for a walking tour tomorrow, but for today I'm still not really sure about everything else. But it's fun not knowing. Good morning, day 2. So I woke up really late. It's like 12:30 right now. I'm gonna go for the second tour instead of the 10:30. I'm gonna go for the 2:30. Lunch will probably be something quick, so McDonald's it is. So I'm done with the walking tour. I had some shots of the Matthias' church. Now I'm heading over to Szczeciny's bath spa. So I didn't manage to post pictures of my food yesterday, but basically I ate at a place called Caravan, which had some pretty nice langosh. But the problem was that it had like intense amount of cheese and sour cream. Sour cream was fine, but like the cheese, I couldn't really handle it. I could barely finish my langosh and it was my dinner, so yeah. So I'm currently at Hero Square. The pizza for dinner was delicious, and I guess this is the end of day 2. So I'm gonna end with a montage of Hero Square. So enjoy.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I know.
So my initial plan is to go to the House of Terror Museum, but because it closes at 6 and then it's going to be 6 soon, it opens at 10 and my flight's at 12, that means I won't be able to make it. But it's okay, I have a brochure at least. It's my last 18 hours here in Budapest, so... Hi doggy! So I made a checklist of the things I have left to do. That's the one that you guys have been looking at, and those are the things that I've left in my last day at Budapest.
Send me. I know you
kind of boring to drink it alone.
Lend me honest to you. Lend me.
So I'm done with one ruin bar and now I'm heading to the Citadel. So it's quite a long hike. Hopefully I'll get a nice view from there. I don't know what you can tell, but the Asian flush is real. Kind of the main reason why I don't like drinking alcohol.
Lend me honest to you. Lend me I know you. Lend me darling you. Lend me darling you. Lend me I know.
So apparently this is the best goulash. I'll find out how it tastes like.
Lend me I know. Lend me
You send me honest you do.
Yo. Boy, I'm tired. So I'm back home from Budapest. I'm just gonna call it Budapest. In my last few hours, I went to try this brunch cafe called Simply. Yeah. And it was really good, but the only problem I had was that the portion was a bit too small. So I missed out the boat ride and also the New York Palace Cafe. But apart from that, I can safely say that I completed Budapest in 72 hours. So overall, I really enjoyed my trip to Budapest. Everything from the history to the food, it was simply amazing. Honestly, it's one of the best trips I've ever been on. Sets a benchmark on what I look for in a solo trip. So thanks for watching my first ever travel vlog. See you guys.
Take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream.